In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use broken sword fragments in Blockman Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the option to use your broken sword fragments in Blockman Go on Skyblock. So, the broken sword fragments are typically used to craft or upgrade items in specific game modes, in this case, Skyblock. So, if you acquire broken swords fragments from any means, either by pulling here on the lucky draw or by just defeating enemies and bosses, you will be able to forge them into different items. Depending on the specific fragment type that you have, you will be able to go through various different options. So usually you just go over to the lobby, so teleport on the map, go to the lobby, and if you go forward over here to the right, you will find plenty of options to use these fragments. So you might want to take a look at these stores to see if there's anything useful that you can do with them here, but like I said, you will mostly be able to fuse them into different items, so you can use these structures here, such as the crafting table and the option to talk to the Adventurer Guild members to acquire new weapons from these fragments. So as you can see, you will be able to talk to them and interact with the menus until you see a specific broken sword fragment that you can use on your own. So you usually want to go over here and browse through items and armor. If there is any of these crafts that can be done using the broken sword fragments, you will be able to input the items here and then craft them. It is extremely simple and you just have to go over to this specific location on the map. You can also browse through the blueprints here and see if any of them are applicable for items, but for the most part, these are going to be for buildings. So all that you have to do is go over to these crafting tables over here and you will be able to exchange them to different items by crafting them into swords and other equipments. I hope I was able to help you on how to use broken sword fragments in Blockman Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.